Now the last joint we need to look at is the ankle joint, and that is also a hinge joint. So you remember that we have flexion and extension at the hinge joint. However, at the ankle joint, the names of those types of movement are slightly different, which we'll look at just now. But before we do that, we need to remind ourselves what the articulating bones are at the ankle, and they are the tibia, fibula and talus. Now you remember that the tibia is the bigger of the two bones in the lower leg, fibula obviously then is a smaller one, and the talus is the bone that makes part of the foot by the ankle, making up the ankle joint. So tibia, fibula and talus are the bones, the articulating bones at the ankle, and the types of movement then are plantar flexion, and that is when the individual points their toes. So you can see the gymnast here pointing their toes. It could also, another example could be when a basketball player jumps up, or just before they jump they go onto tiptoes to make their shot. It could also be when someone's running, when they're pushing off the ground. So lots of examples there of plantar flexion. And then the other one, that's this image here, is dorsiflexion, and that is when we raise the toes up towards our shins. So an example there could be during a warm-up activity, also when we're running, also when we're jumping in long jump, for example, in the flight phase, we might turn our toes up in that direction as well.